Tangent squared of x is a composite function, so to find its derivative, we need to use the chain rule, which I've written here for your reference. The derivative of f of g is f prime of g times g prime. So let's identify our f and g and then apply the rule. In this case, our f, the outside function, is the squaring function, and our g, the inside function, is the thing being squared, which of course is tangent. So then, applying the chain rule, we must begin with f prime of g. So take the derivative of the outside function and leave the inside function unchanged. Remember, the derivative of x squared is just 2x. So when we take the derivative of this outside layer, tangent squared, we're just going to have 2 times tangent. And once we have that, 2 times tangent, all that's left is to multiply by the derivative of the inside function. The inside function is that thing that was being squared, the tangent function, and its derivative, our g prime, is secant squared. And so we get our final answer. The derivative of tangent squared of x is 2 tangent of x times secant squared of x. Make sure you remember your trig derivatives so you can figure these problems out. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to check out my Calculus 1 course and Calculus 1 exercises playlists in the description for more. Thanks for watching.